guys, JD the therapist here, and I got this long-handled shower hose to review. This long-handled shower hose is up to 80 inches, so that's a long distance. You use this while you're sitting down on a shower bench. Not only will it reduce the risk of falling, but it's also going to improve accessibility by having such a long shower hose with the shower head. This also has 8 different shower modes on here. It comes in this nice bag right here, and I really like the look and feel of it. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with the hose, it comes with some plumber's tape, and also a holder as well. I already have some plumber's tape that's up there, so I'm just going to add a tiny bit more. I'm going to go ahead and put this handle on here that will hold the shower hose, and this is just going to screw right on. And on here you can actually see the filter for the shower hose. Not only going to filter the water for the hard water, but it also helps with chlorine as well. Once you have a tight seal, I just recommend turning it so that way the hose spout is going to be on the bottom, because that's where we're going to attach the shower hose to. Once you take the hose out, you're just going to unscrew this plastic cap here. And as you can see, it comes with the plastic washers already the rubber washers right there on the inside. It also comes with 2 additional washers as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this right on. Now that that's attached, we can go ahead and put the shower hose on. And this also just screws right on to the base as well. We can go ahead and give this a shot. So the water just comes right out, off, a strong spray. So now the power wash mode function on here is going to make it really easy to clean off the shower. You press it, it's going to come out really strong off the top. What I like about the power wash mode is all you have to do is click it forward once, and then it stays right there. So this is a great long-handled shower hose. It's extremely long, so you can use this if you're sitting down on a shower bench or a shower chair. It's going to add to your shower in the way that it looks. It's going to help with the hard water and filter out the chlorine. I think this is a great shower hose, and I would say check this out.